Hey Mark, I hope you are doing well. I really apologize that I have by myself decided and mentioned that I will prepare like a brief documentation regarding the suggestion and feedbacks on UX and UI. But unfortunately, I have decided while visiting the pages you have mentioned and previewing the pages that I have decided that I'll prepare a brief video for you, like a documented video for you that, in which I'll explain the suggestion and the like UX issues that might be like that like might be improved by the time. And unfortunately I'm unable to ask these stuff from you, like preparing the video, because it is like a deep night time on your end, and I really respect the time when someone is sleeping, and I really want to disturb you on like deep night time. So for that reason I have decided by myself to prepare like a brief documentation video for you. So let's get started very quickly. So here on the settings side, like settings page, that is the heading, and that I might feel that that should be the subtext for the heading, and it should be after displayed, and you can align it or make sure these are after each other, heading should be the first, and after that you can paste it or update it. This manage your accounts preference after the heading, so it will improve the UI, and also improve the UX as well. Other than that, you can like you can display it in the brackets, like small brackets, so it will display it as an extended version of the heading for the heading. So you can do both of these stuffs, and after that the tabs feels good. It is like better and interactable. And one more thing that you can improve in the tabs regarding the colors, that the tab button you can make it more glow, a bit bluish, like you have already here in this indication for the credits, and you can make it a bit more healthy in color, like in you already are using the blue version colors for your like brand. And you can I hope you already have the design system prepared for all of this stuff, so you can just quickly update the color if you want. But that is the suggestion regarding the tab colors, so it will improve the visuality for the end customers. And the secondly, these are the three steps formula you have applied for the onboarding for the settings page. And instead of this p text p and this s and f text, you can paste an icons, like you already have pasted the icons for the profile, have pasted the icon for the buyers onboarding, like a shield icons. And you can also add the icons, like search icon here, the profile icon here, and the finance, related to finance, like related to something that is indicates money or finance. You can paste the icon instead of these texts. And you can also improve the line length for all of these three Steps, and as you can see here, on the dashboard side, it is not like filling the gap between here, or might be some like extra spacing or extra padding here by the developers, and because obviously you are like developing it parallelly and designing these things parallelly, so for that reason it is like can be updated obviously. And the second thing is about the step one of three. So you can like remove that text, and can add it in here or in the bottom, that indicates that hey, you are on like step one, and after that when user complete this step, it will be filled, and after that the obviously the line goes blue, and that indicates that hey, you have already completed this step one and you are on right now on step two. So you can like remove that thing from here, like step one of three, and paste it here, or you can also like exclude that stuff, because you already have tell the customer, the user, the end users, that you have like three steps onboarding for their portal, for their dashboard. And after that there is like a profile information section. um, it it should be improved as well, because as you can see here, these two tabs, some of the headings and the subheadings, or the titles are on middle of the face, but some of the stuffs are like really on the right side, sorry, left side. So you can improve these stuffs as well if you want to make the content between the screen, or you can do that as well. And if you want to align the text on the left hand side, you can do that as well. So that will help you improve the UI and UX as well. And yeah, that is good. To explain that, let's start with the basics. This only takes 2 to 3 minutes, but I think it is not necessary, or yeah, because we have like a less information on already less information on the page. So for that reason, it is not like that much necessary. But if you want to add that, it is totally up to you. And that is good, but you can make it like a bit bolder, or like in blue color, so it can indicate that hey, there you need some actions, or you can exclude that for now, because you already have like indicated the user that you are like these informations are shown, or like filled for the NDAs, so they can fill the information. But it is up to you. You can you want to take these information out, or you want to like take these information on the page. It is totally up to you. But yeah, we have like two options, one for the personal name, and second for the like a business name as well. So it is it is good that there is a radio button, and whenever we click on the radio, these are like interactable as well. So on the like personal name side, there are some flaws that you really want to fix, that you can see the text is like really on the face, like middle of the page, or middle of these input fields. and we have like no gap between the text and these input fields, and you can add 12 to 14 pixels gap or like padding between these text and the input fields as well. And you can give this text, instead of aligning them into the center, you can add make like you can make sure and that this text should be on the left hand side, and it will really improve the UX. And after that, it is already filled, and yeah, the placeholder is good, and that says enter the address, and for the mobile number it is good as well. For the location it is good as well. So yeah, the LinkedIn profile is good as well. And one more thing you can add, that you can add the first name and the last name once again, because these all information are already filled on when I have signed up to the portal. I have already filled these information, so these are already taken from that entry. And you can also add the first name and last name on top of these two. And after that, you really want to add the email field as well. Like you already have the phone number, then you can set up like this: first name, last name, after that email, phone number, then you can add the address field, and after that you can add the citizenship, or you can break down into address, the address and country of citizenship into like three fields. Like one field should be the address, where a user will add the address, and the second field will be the street name, and after that the third field would be the zip code, a zip code of their location. So in United States, they for example, they are living in New Jersey, so they can input that zip code as well, and that will help you to improve the UI and UX as well, if you add like these fields as well. And after that, you have an added an option for the LinkedIn profile that is optional. It is really good as well. And after that, the previous button, it should be a hover effect, like we have like a slight hover effect on the next button, and this button should also have a slight hover button with a bit grayish mode. So whenever user hovers over on the previous button, as I hover over on the next button, it should also give us a bit glow. So after that, I would like to talk about the business name as well. So you can yeah, obviously add the break down this address into three fields, like address, street name, and address, country, and zip code. So after that, you can add two fields for like personal information, like phone number and email as well. And yeah, the other things are good for now. And one more thing, that you can improve the color for the heading, like business information, and there should be like, okay, there should, okay, yeah, business information, yeah, business information. One more thing, you can do that, instead of adding this personal information and this text line for both of these tabs, or you can say the in the small radio button, you can also change the text here as well. Like as you can see, when I click on the personal name, it shows the personal information, and when I click on business name, it also shows the like business information. And you can, if you want to add the like this line, you can keep as similar as it is. And the other thing, it is you can improve the heading text here, the color, and you can make it blue, or you can make it like a more strong color you want to add. You can make it more bigger, and more stronger in color, and the rest will that I already have explained. And okay, let's go to the second tab. Yeah, let's go to the second tab here. So on this tab, the things are, as you can see here, there is spacing between the text and the input field. That is really good. And one more thing, I want to indicate that this text field is on the left hand side, but these text fields, two text fields are on the on the middle of the face for this input field. So you can also make sure these things are aligned, and they will really improve the UX for you. And yeah, these are good right now. And as you can see here, the preview button also have a hover effect, but this should not be like a strong blue. It should be a light blue, because we already have a strong blue for the next. And whenever we are going to design something that are including like primary and secondary things, so primary always be in a strong color, and the secondary, even it appears with the hover, should be in a bit shady or a bit gray color. So you may uh, also take as a suggestion from my end. So yeah, and after that, as you can see here, there should be an icon. And yeah, that is good. We have icon checked icon that these information are already filled. And after that, uh, next, so here I was thinking about that there should be like a bit explanation about the debit finance. And also you can explain that are you planning to use the debit finance. So you can explain the your customers in video, like, or in like a text format, that which type of text debit financing are you are providing for their customer. For example, if they select yes, and are you planning to use the SBA loan. So you can explain these things a bit more. And yeah, these will improve the yeah UX as well. And as you can see here, that this field, text field, is in the middle. This is in the middle as well. This is in middle as well. So these should be on the left hand side, as these texts are on the left hand side. So after that, yeah, after that, it is like we have completed our profile. So I would like to select it to no. Yeah, I can figure out that actually you can display all of the fields once, like so the user can get more feels more interactive with these features. Because as you can see here, whenever I click yes, or when I click no, the field pops in and pops out on yes and no. So it is like it feels like I'm like playing with the like yes and no buttons in like a gameplay. So yeah, that will like really hurts the user sometime, because when they like land on the screen, they didn't like provided the much information, and then they have click on yes and no, and play a small game, like selecting the stuff. So it is like a bit, I feel playing with their time as well, with the customers time as well. So if we already displayed all of the information, the user decide that they want to like click on yes, or they want to click on no. So whenever they click on yes, the further like input fields will display, and when they click on no, the input field disappears. So that is good if we provide all of the information at once. So okay, so I select no, and click complete, and yeah, sorry. So I land on the like deal search page that I really was thinking about for the page, because after completing the profile, user will land on that page, and that really feels sometime it is feels like good in terms of the adjustments you have used, and the developer use to adjusting the content, to adjusting this stuff. But sometimes it feels like it is very congested, and you are using lots of data of the resources that are like daily publishing, or you already have published using the AI. And yeah, that is this section feels good, because I have have an interaction with these tabs, and I have already added and like deleted some of the content, because I was like playing around, and yeah, that is good. And one more thing I really want to share, that you can exclude the post, because I think it is not that much use to for indicating that the content has published, or the articles has published on which date, and it will like you can reduce this column, like the posted column from this page, and you can like shift uh, this live status, or you may have other status as well, live, or something like pending, or something that inactive. So you may have the indication like status chips already made in your Figma UI. So you can totally exclude that by my sense, and after that you can, yeah, the other things are good so far. And one more thing that I really want to share, that as you can see here, the heading and the title, or the subtext for the heading are both even like the icon is in the same line. So we have to make sure that the heading and the icon should be in one line, and after that underneath this heading there should be the subtext field, that should be displayed under this like heading. So these should be the necessary like feedbacks that should be like implemented as soon as possible. If the team is like already in like updating this stuff after these feedbacks. And one more thing that we have like three tabs, like all search, saved, and rejected. So yeah, rejected and save have the icons, but the icons should be on it is these are on right side right now. These should be on the left side instead of right side. So yeah, we can like understand the hierarchy and like placement of the icons. And one more, the other suggestion from my end regarding the icons, as we have no icon for all searches, so we can exclude the icon for the saved and rejected. But I can understand that why you have included the icon for the save and rejected, because you want to like indicate your user that they have an option like heart option for the save, and like a cross action for deleting this stuff or rejecting. So instead of that delete icon, you can also like change that like a trash can with the X icon. So it will align this stuff. As you can see here, we have an option to like create or add something or inside our CRM or our dashboard. And we have a heart option for like favoritizing or like saving the stuff. Or you can make it like instead of save, you can make it like rename it as favorite. So that would be like a bit updation in terms of UX. And yeah, obviously the icon should be on the left side. And after that I have like previewed the page for like, let's play the preview page, like for the title, for the like article or the listed company you have here. And till then it like go on preview mode. I think I have, yeah. Okay, so one more thing I have noticed, that the entire like our like environment, our dashboard are not actually responsive. Like I have already checked it on mobile view as well. It is not responsive, and it is like I don't know if it is like giving an error on my end. But I have checked personally on the mobile preview as well, but it was not working at that time. And okay, yeah, there I have checked, and it displayed me an error occur while fetching the deals. So I don't know why, if it is like not ready for the like for the mobile version. So yeah, so I really want to discuss that. And the last thing on the page that I have noticed, but the second last thing, that these pagination buttons should be somewhere here on the like right side, but bottom right side of the page here, right here. If yeah, it is my screen is recording, so I'm it is difficult for me to like make a rectangle here right now. But you can like make a guess, like these pagination buttons should be here, or you can add them between the page. So user can easily interact with them, because it feels like it is bit congested, and these paginations, like tabs, are uh, merging inside the footer, because this area considered as footer, like we have like terms and privacy, contact, and other stuff as well. So that should not, the pagination should not be there. It should be up here or somewhere here. Like you can add these here as well. And the last thing, regarding this deal search page, that as you can see here, the like border, the margin and padding for this section, like for this white section from here to here, it is not good. And like it is also feel like it is like you have insistly pasted lots of thing, in inside a small gap. And as you can see here, there should be like a white space up here. And as you can see here, you can see the white space after the button, and there should be the white space, the spacing, the margin, the padding should be on top as well. So it may feel like we are in like an bubble environment. So it is not looking a nice bubble right now. It is bubble, but it is not looking a nice bubble that should give us a proper nice feel of like seeing or previewing the this entire like stuff, entire like desert, as you can see here. So it should be like feel a sweet dish, not like a congested sweet dish, but like a well presented sweet dish, in like um, seeing it. So there should be added some spacing, some padding here on top, and yeah, and on bottom as well. So the bottom also feels like merging with the background color, like a grayish background color. And you can add the spacing on top and bottom, and make sure that the bubble color should be white, so it differentiate between the like background color and the bubble color. As you can see here, the color for the navigation here is white, and it is a bit white here, but it is not like pure white. And right here on the bottom, as you can see, it is like totally merging with the background color. And this pagination should also be inside the bubble here. And yeah, you can add these stuff. And I'll preview some of my design as well that I was previously working. Let me see if I can toggle between, or yeah, actually I was recording that, so that's why it feels okay. So I was also like previously working on a dashboard for the servicing page, like courier servicing. So as you can see here, you can see a proper bubble here. So yeah, a proper bubble here, as you can see. The front color is different, and the background color of the page is different, and like this bubble is actually differentiate, making a difference between the his its own color and the background color as well. And let me quickly fix the page, because the length is yeah, Yeah, it is right now fixed. So all credit goes to you. Because if I didn't visit it like right now, I have to like make sure that uh, the things are already perfect. So all credit goes to you, because for you I'm making the video. And as you can see here, we have a proper bubble for each you can see a small environment. So I am referring the bubble like this. So for that reason I have quickly previewed the design I was like previously working. And there should be like on your dashboard, as you can see here, it is a button. So the button should be right inside the bubble here, and the heading should be here, and the subtext should be here, yeah, as you can refer this thing like hello Jones, and good morning. So it will be our heading, like main heading. For example, deal search. Let me quickly give you the preview. So that will be our heading. And, yeah, it will display like this. That will be our heading, and I have copied that text from here, and going to paste it here. So actually what I am like explaining is it should be displayed like this, and the icon should be displayed like somewhere here with the heading. So you can like take a guess from here that I actually have presented to you. And make sure that the things are like aligned, because at the end we like I'm designing for the customer. Like I feel whenever I start a project for my client, I feel that I'm building this project for myself, like uh, and yeah, I always like make sure that the like end user interact with the product more accurately. And instead of like he just like seen my dashboard page and just like try to log out or try to like shift to some other platform. So for that reason I decide that I have like designed this product for myself. So that will also give me that emotional attachment with the product as well. And yeah, and that ends up for me like designing like a best design for the customers as well. So that was it for the deal search page. And I hope I have like explained it more accurately than preparing a documentation for you. And after that we have like initiated a meeting and explain these things again inside the meeting. So after that I would like to share my feedbacks on the filters, because you have uh, give me the instruction that I have to share the feedbacks on these filter as well. So the filter looks good. It really like pops up nicely from like sliding from right to left on the page, on the same page. But what is the issue here? As you can see here, these fields like the gaps is like again feels congested. And the other thing that the icon should not be on the left side. These icons should be on the right side for these fields, or because a user will like mostly interact on these sides. If you like have already tried the heat map to like preview or like preview the user interaction on the website or on the dashboard or on the mobile application, so you can like better understand that. And I would suggest you to use heat map on that. Search on Google heat map. So it will like there will be a website where you can, like, I think, paste your screenshot there, and get the heat map results as you like get the results on, like, while using the like heat map from the outer space, using the telescope, or using the like other devices that we already have in the space for like measuring the temperature, measuring the like atmosphere. So there is also a platform for that as well, to figure out the stuff, and that will tell us that which part the user sees the most, which part user sees the less in a heat map environment. So you can interact with that as well. So the icon should be on the right side instead of left side, and this field should be like bit bolder, like this background should be more like on the top. You can add the gaps, and on bottom you can add gaps. For example, you can add the like 18 pixel gap on top and 18 pixel gap on the bottom, and you can go up to like 24, 32, like these kind of like rounded figures. So you can improve the UX and UI as well. And if you want a demonstration, I can also give you the demo here. So okay, so let me go on that page. The Figma is a bit slow on my end, but yeah, I'll try my best to give you like a demo for that as well. Okay, so let's edit that. Should remove the instance, and really very apologize for the background noise you may feel and hear as well, because just right before my home there are like construction work going on, and for that reason you may heard like a loud noise during the video record. So I really apologize for that. Okay, please, thank you for bearing the noise with me, and I really like sorry for that as well. But I'm trying my best to do as soon as possible. So I have paused the video because the noise in my background goes really wild, and I have to like design the presentation for you. So I have quickly prepared the presentation. For example, so that is the unclicked state, as we can see here. Like that is the unclicked state, and instead of displaying like this, like a congested field, it should be displayed like this, a bit bolder, and bit like healthier as well. You can make it more like lesser, like I did it like 18 on top, 18 on bottom. So I have added the padding here, and like it is 18 on right, 18 on left, 18 on top, 18 on bottom, so it is equal, but you can like give it as you want. So that will be the unclicked state right here instead of this conjected state. And the icon should be on the right side. As you can see here, the icon is now on the right side when we have like updated the UX and UI for this filter section. And when you click on that, these fields should also be inside the bubble. So I have prepared the presentation for this bubble, like that is the expanded state for this AI sort option. So like imagine that is the input field. So the input field, when like it is expanded, the input field should be white. As you can see here, it is white right now. So let me remove that as well, so it feels like it is an input field throughout. So as you can see here, it feels like input field. And yeah, that should be inside a bubble. And yeah, as you can see here, that is like unexpanded bubble, that is with expanded bubble with the input field. And it should be displayed like on these states when it is expanded, when it is expanded, when it is not expanded. So it should feel like a bubble. So it doesn't gives us that feel that this field is like coming from somewhere else. So this field indicates like as you can see here, it is like a basic UI structure or the UX structure that we mostly see on some of the platform like Jira, and the other platforms like Jira, and I have seen somewhere else on that. I'm not actually like able to refresh my memory right now, but I have seen something like that on Jira as well. I don't know, they have updated the UI or UX right till that time. So the better version, I might say, in my suggestion for like you, that we can use these type of bubble for all of these fields right here for the filter. And for example, for these yeah, these should be the two input fields. There should be like keyword entering fields as well, so it should be inside the bubble. And as you can see here, you have already these bubbles are separated. And if you want that UI, so like so it will be like this for the for your filter. So as you can see here, each bubble is separated. And yeah, and when it is like like unexpandable, like collapsed version for the bubble, and it will be like expanded version for the bubbles that I feel that the design for and the UI and the UX should be improved here as well. And yeah, the other things are good, like you can reset the filter, apply, and even like save the current stuff. For example, you don't want to apply the filter on that, so that is good so far. And yeah, so you have asked about the feedbacks from my end for these card version for when user click on like this title like hair salon, so they will come up here on like a full preview mode of the stats or the instruction regarding the company and like other stuff about the company as well. So I have seen that page before, like when you have shared the like portal details with me, and I have previewed that page as well, and it is good here right now. Like the pricing section is good, like asking price, and the tab section here is good, like it is tagged from the like deal search page, and it is good. But as you can see here, this button also like touching almost, like not the almost, it is touching the white space for this bubble here as well. And if you can like add more space on top, or you can like exclude that button from that bubble and add somewhere here on top, and like add the gaps between that as well. So that will also helpful for improving the UI and UX. Like you can remove that stuff from here and add here, and add equal spacing between the navigation and this like bubble for the like hair salon, and add between here. So that will also like improve the UI and UX as well. So that is good so far right now, but yeah, here I have indicated an issue. And after that I can see that these cards are rounded. That is also rounded. These all are rounded, but it is, I don't know why it is not rounded, or it is or like you want to like give a shape like a page. Like as you can see here, there is like lots of spacing between here, like between this card and this card. This is like a bit more extended, like I think that should be 32 or 40 pixel like inside the bubble. So if you can improve that as well, like make a big bubble, big rounded bubble on like on all of the card, as you can already have that master bubble on top, and you can build small bubble inside the bubble. As if I again give you a preview that how I made a master bubble and inside the child bubble as well. So that will, I think, like give you more detailed explanation. As you can see here, for example, that is our master bubble. As you can see, the two bubbles here, like that is the master bubble and that is the child bubble for the master bubble. And you can like make the UI like that, and also like make that master bubble a bit like solid color, and these child bubble you can arrange them in lighter mode, or like blue versions, like lighter blue version as well. As you can see here, I have used a lighter version here for that graph presentation. So you can use that kind of like scenario creating these bubbles. And the other thing that I have noticed regarding the spacing here, as you already have used the like, let me go on the setting page, and yeah, as you have used the like a progress bar type, like steps for this section, profile setup section. You can also use these type of indication for, you can, instead of just small arrow, like an indication arrow, you can add these type of lines that will give you like better feel for the customer, instead of these small arrows that you can input a line between them, as you all have added the line. For example, we have like, here we have completed our 2 steps, and now we are on NDA step, and that is not activated yet. And as we have used here, like if I go further next, for example, so that will shows us that we are on the third step for financing, but it is like not activated yet. It should be like activated, like the financing step here. And as you can see, a major UX, visual UI and UX issue here. So you can like make as similar as this with the line instead of the arrow here, and that will improve as well. And the other thing that we can reduce the text, like text lines here. For example, we are using 1 2 3 4 lines currently, and we should have to reduce these lines from 4 to 3. And because we have to add the read more button, that will obviously expand and show like more text and less text as well. So we can reduce the text here. As you can see, when user land on the page, you can preview the visuals. There are like, you have like less information on the page, for the page. Yeah, less information for the page. And when you scroll down, you quickly should, like, user really want to see what's next after the text, because they really write like, by like these time they really don't care about the text, and most of the time they really don't want to read the text for the like product introduction. So they really want to interact with the like graphical presentation, or the stats you already have provided here. So you can like reduce the text line for a collapsed version that are currently 3. You can like reduce it to like, these are currently four lines, and you can reduce it to 3 lines. And the other thing is that the card layout stuff is good. And yeah, the text should be like improved. It should be aligned on the like right hand side. As you can see here, it is not aligned perfectly, and that text is not aligned perfectly. That should be aligned. And I don't understand why this icon here, maybe it is like it should be there, I think, or maybe there should be a text for that, but I don't know why this icon is here. And that is good so far. And that is good too. Yeah, that is good as well. And you can, yeah, that is good. The interaction is good, I think. Yeah, and yeah, that is good. That is good. Similar listing, yeah, that is good as well. Yeah, so far for the page it is good. And as you can see here, the text should be like, I think, yeah, that is the same. Yeah, So the text should be in middle, like this should be in middle as well, or this should be on the left side, as this is on the left side already. So you have to like see these things as well. And one more thing, I am noticing that there are like multiple icons, like 2 icons that are not necessary for now. And as you can see here, the text is like really right aligned, and I think that is because of the icon. When you fix this stuff, that will also be like improved as well. And the text should be in the middle. If you want to add that icon, that should be for the heading, that is good, but then use one icon instead of like using multiple icons. And after that, this text should be in the middle. And as you can see here, there is lots of space on left hand side. Yeah, these are the like feedbacks from my end. And it took me around 1 hour after previewing the like deep down like multiple visions of like seeing the design, and doing the stuff, like multiple stuff with the UI. And after interacting with the stuff, it is about 1 hour long feedback story from my end. And I really hope you like it. And that I really need to mention in the beginning that if you want to like fast forward the video, you can do as well, because maybe I like I can be a bit slow in explaining this stuff, because I really want to like explain it these things in detail. Because previously I was like thinking that the PDF will works fine, but after that previewing and deep down diving into the dashboard, I really feel I should explain the stuff verbally, so I can give you a proper explanation in terms of UI and UX as well. And before going to like close the video, I really need to check the mobile version as well. As you can see here, some of the stuff is working really nice, good, but some of the stuff is not really good as it should be. But yeah, I'm trying. Sorry, I have clicked something. Yeah, I'm trying to scroll up, but yeah, as you can see here, yeah, got it. There was also like scroller inside the bubble. So as you can see here, the page is not like fully responsive, and I can scroll it from right to left, left to right, and the stuff are like overlapping the bubble. And yeah, these should be improved. Hmm, yeah. And let me check the deal search page as well. The last thing that I just have noticed one more thing, that the icon is only available with the deals page. It is not with dashboard, it is not with the AI recommendation, it is not with my deals. So it you have to like think about that, and that you should add the icons with all of the navigation tabs, or or you want to make them as simple as they are with the other tabs, for example the dashboard with the AI recommendation and my deals as well. So yeah, that is also like I just have noticed that, so I have like shared that with you as well. And I'm hoping that I explain it more accurately instead of like preparing a documentation and you go into the documentation and read this stuff manually. So I have explained it in the video decided by myself, and I hope you like it. And I would like to have your feedbacks on that, that how like it will help you and your team to improving the UX and UI for the mentioned screens for you. And yeah, that is it. And I'm hoping for the best for the product you are like working on, your team is working on. And lots of wishes, lots of prayer for you and for your team. Yeah, they really did a nice job, like aligning the stuff, aligning the things in like uh, very perfectly. So I really appreciate them as well at the end. And I will also wait for your feedbacks on that as well. So thank you so much. And let's uh, yeah,